So today, I'm going to be working on the RX7. Got to reinstall the lip. Last time I put it on, let's just say the hardware wasn't really compatible with each other. It's a 240SX PigNose Lip, so it's not really direct bolt-on, but how I'm going to redo it should be a little bit better than last time. So if you're an RX7 guy, you know that there's not many options for lips or anything like that. This is actually from a 240SX, the PigNose bumper, and it fits pretty decent. Alright, so obviously you're going to want to jack up the car, put some jack stands under it. You don't want anything bad to happen. You're just trying to look cool, right? Alright, so as many of yours probably do, they probably had a factory lip, and it all got bolted in with these little metal clips. And so we're going to reuse those, or at least the idea of it. I got different clips for the hardware I'm using. Alright, so here's my new hardware. I just went down to Ace Hardware. Was able to get new clips to match the thread pitch of my hardware I got. So from here, the front is pretty straightforward. We'll put these, replace them in the spots that we want to use with the old ones. I had to drill holes into the lip for mounting, so you're probably going to have to. I think you can use that hole, might have to use a washer, but drill some holes where you need them, where you're going to mount it, and that's it for the front. Alright, so they're not that hard to take off. Use a screwdriver, just kind of slide it over, pops out. Now replace it with the new one. Alright, got the front all installed. Alright, right here you can kind of see where I have it mounted. I used 5 spots. So it's nice, there's a mounting point right where a hole already was on the lip, and it matched up on both sides, so I know I'm centered there. Front's all secure. So what I did with this fender one, just right there on the side, put a screw. This mounting tab was kind of getting a little used and abused. Gonna have to fix that, but drop her down and see how it looks. Alright, so the 240SX PigNose Lip is installed, and it looks pretty good, I think. It's a pretty easy process, not too hard, cost me maybe 10 bucks, and looks good. So that's a nice little option for RX7 guys who maybe aren't wanting to buy a body kit but want something a little bit different, something simple, sleek. Just find yourself a 240SX PigNose Lip if you can still find one for cheap, and throw it on. So let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see on the channel. Alright, peace.